So, welcome to the project demonstration of Phishing URL Detector, an AI-powered tool that helps users identify whether a website is safe or suspicious just by analyzing its URL. Okay, so this is how it works. This is the Phishing URL Detector landing page, and the UI is clean looking because I've streamed it. Let's just enter a URL. We'll simply enter any URL. Let's say I'll enter Instagram.com. I'll copy it and just paste it here. And then I'll click on predict. As you can see, the website is deemed to be legitimate because it is legitimate. And if I enter anything random, because this is how your phishing URLs look like, right? They start with something that's very familiar to you, and but in the later half of the URL, there's just some random stuff inserted. Yeah. So the website is marked as suspicious. So our project is working fine. So the tool is especially relevant today where phishing attacks via fake links are a growing cybersecurity threat. It can be embedded into browsers, messaging platforms, or security software to instantly alert users before they click. Now, let's talk about the impact of this project. So, this can be integrated for real time protection in the form of browser extensions. We can follow up this with continuous retraining, update with new phishing data, and visual similarity, add detection for advanced spoofing. All right. If a student is able to build such a project, then he or she will be able to extract and engineer features from raw URL strings, train and evaluate classification model for cybersecurity use cases, deploy real-time ML predictions using Streamlit, and design a fast and responsive user interface for end users. Overall, they'll be able to bring such a real value world value project and deploy it over the web